Okay, so this is a handy, quick setup. And if you look at the top, the first thing you want to do is turn on the drone, and then you turn on the controller. Then you place the drone on a nice flat surface, which I've kind of done, but we're not going to start it all up here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to push the joystick forward and then pull it back on the left side. Then you set up the Wi-Fi on your phone. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to simultaneously push both joysticks to the right corner or towards this side, all right? Once you've done that, you're going to simultaneously push both joysticks towards these two little buttons, And then if you press this button right here, the thing will take off. And that's it, basically. That's how you do it. All right, now we just got to go outside and do that. Now, if I flip this over, this is going to give you a little directions on how everything works here. So if you look, you can take a photo or video here. This, if you push it forward, ascends. If you pull it back, it descends to the right or to the left. It will rotate in a circle, okay? Over here, you've got headless mode and trimmer. Over here you get your power switch, all right? Over here you've got camera angle, which is on this side right here. You see that? Let's put that back. Then over here you have the high-speed rotation and circle flying. And then if you go like this, it goes forward, backwards, flies left, flies right. And then you take off and land by pressing that button. So you want to hang on to this. You don't want to lose it. Gives you all the information you need to know about flying this thing. And I strongly recommend putting it low to begin with, because when you're starting out, you may crash it. Now the next thing you got to do to get this thing started is first you're going to flip over the drone. You're going to turn the drone on and it's going to flash. All right? See, it's flashing. We'll set her down. We got the butt facing us, or the back. Then we come to our controller and we want to press this, okay? This is the power button on this. Hold it down, and you're going to see it flashing. Now we've got them both flashing. All right, now the next thing we have to do is we got to pair these. So the way we pair it is we push this forward and pull it back. And you hear that sound, right? Now look, check it out. They're equal. They're ready to go. Okay, so now we've got everything set up. Now what we have to do is we've got to take both of these and we're going to pull them to the right corner. And that's going to calibrate this drone, okay? We're going to do this. Now we're ready to go. Now all I've got to do is pull both of these to the center to start the wings. Let's try it. You ready? There she goes. Now she's ready to take off. And then all we have to do to take it off is we hit this and it goes up. Let's drive her forward, to the side, to the right side. It has a tendency to want to shift back. Let's go forward. Let's come back. And very, very gently. Let's go forward. Now let's see if we can rotate it. I'm going to try a rotation. We'll see what happens. All right, let's go backwards. Let's go forward. Let's go to the right. I got to go to the left on the controller. Left. Forward. To the left. To the right. You see how I have to change? If I go forward, it comes to me. If I want to go to the left, I got to push it to the left. I want to go to the right, I want to go forward here. See how it kind of wants to go backwards? Right? So you got to get used to that. Let's go forward. Let's go to the left. Let's go to the right. Let's go forward. Let's go to the right. My left. Let's come forward. It has a tendency to move in weird directions. But we've got it. Let's go ahead and rotate back. Okay, now we're going for it this way. Now we're doing the regular one, right? It flies pretty good, I gotta say. And I've got it on low speed too, by the way. Go up a little bit. Go forward. Just rotate. Forward. Oh, whoops. Ah, shit. See, you fuck up when you do that, don't you? It's pretty durable, though. Look, it's still working. So I gotta say, it's pretty durable. All right, let's turn her off. I think we did pretty good for today. We gotta practice. I might have to take it outside to do that.